Hey salam, hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a really mouth-watering and refreshing mocktail. It's a fruit mocktail, very easy to make, gonna take you around 5 minutes. Make sure you definitely try it. It's summer, it gets really hot, so you need something like this to cool you down. So without any further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. I'm going to start with a piece of lemon. Just nicely add that in. Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna muddle that through. Using this method, you extract all those beautiful oils from the lemon, and the juices from the lemon. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, so move this to a side. Just going to get only a cup like this one. So instead of using sugar syrup, I'm gonna use this to add some sweetness. Need around 2 to 3 tablespoons. That should do. What we're gonna do is just bring our mixture back, and we're just gonna add that in there. In that, we're going to add some orange juice. So again, we're gonna need around 3 of these in there. Now here I've got some pineapple juice, yeah? So I'm just gonna add that in there. I love pineapple juice. A pinch of salt in there. Alright, now we're just gonna cover this up. Now if you want it a bit sparkly, no problem, you can add sprite into there. There we go. So I'm just gonna mix this. There we go. Give it a good mix. Beautiful. Grab a bowl like this one. I've got my ice cubes in here. I'm just gonna remove it into this bowl. Bismillah. Oh, come on. There we go. Yo, are you gonna come into it? Oh, right.
I'm the local one. Oh.
Alright, now grab a glass like this one. Beautiful. So grab some of the ice. I'm just gonna place in there. There we go. I'm just gonna add those oils from the lemon. Beautiful. Look at that. Just squeeze that there. Massage it on the sides. Finally, our beautiful mocktail. And then there. Nice and easy. Look at that. Now to finish this off, I've got here some Grenadine. It's a syrup. We're just gonna add that in there. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. And look at that. That looks beautiful. Make sure you definitely try it. That looks really good. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious, really refreshing. Wow. Oh man. So good, man. I can feel it going inside me. Wow. Wow. Oh man, really, sometimes you really need a drink like this one to cool you down. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and shall see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.